Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss P. This week in social studies, we're going to be talking about community culture. And we're going to focus this week on local museums. But I want to talk for a minute about what community culture means. All communities express culture through art, literature, celebrations that we have, and people can belong to more than one culture. For example, as teacher and you as students, we belong to a school culture that is very specific to what we do at school. I'm going to focus this week on the local museums that we have. And so move this up so you can see the museums better. The first museum that we're going to talk about is the Corpus Christi Museum of Science and History. The museum offers exhibits and collections that are unique to our culture and our surroundings. They cover over 500 years of South Texas history, and the exhibits can give you a close-up look at life and people of our great region. The museum is a wonderful place to go and learn not only about the history, the way that things used to be back even when there were dinosaurs. It also offers a really fun place for children to experience science through play. So that's our first museum. The second museum that we're going to talk about is the Art Museum of South Texas. The Art Museum has a permanent collection and also has special exhibits that showcase regional fine art, photography, and crafts. The museum also displays selected artwork from local and area students. One of my favorite things to do when I go to the art museum is to look at the student art. The talent that we have in our students in this area is really amazing. So I highly recommend going and seeing the student art. The next museum that we're going to talk about is the Texas Museum of Asian Cultures and Education Center. This museum offers many educational classes for students and the general public each year, along with visiting exhibits from around the world. They offer hands-on learning for origami, calligraphy, and many more things. This is also a really interesting place. I've been there several times. They have everything from kimonos to all kinds of exhibits from the Asian culture. The last museum that we're going to talk about is the Selena Museum. Selena was a very popular Tejano star, still is, and she started about 25 years ago. The Quintanilla family started the museum as a memorial to Selena fans, and you can go there and see many of her stage costumes and awards and pictures of her when she was still recording music. Your assignment this week is to choose two of the museums that you think you would like to go and visit and explain to your teacher why you chose the two that you did. Don't forget, you need to explain why you chose the museums that you did. So you're going to choose two and give an explanation for your reasons. Have a good week, boys and girls. We sure do miss you. See you soon.